Welcome back, guys. My name is Marcos, and today we're gonna unbox the new Touch Lex Venus series smartwatch. This is a new design that they launched. They have it in a couple colors, two colors looks like. What makes this watch unique, it actually has a new bigger display. It has a 1.2 inch AMOLED screen. It does offer always on. So it's a new style, new display, new size, which is really good. So let me try and bring it out of the box. Inside the box, we get the beautiful watch right here with a nice black band. Like I said, it's a new style. They have a bigger display here. It's an AMOLED 1.2 inch display, as you can see here in the front. Beautiful, nice kind of metal finish here on the sides. Two buttons right here, black band, and you can replace it if needed. Sensors are here in the back, and also the charging mechanisms right here in the back. So here's the watch itself. Let's power it on. See if we can power it on, or we might need to charge it. There we go, Touch Lex. And then in the box are nice and thin, always clean. You get a nice USB cable and a little magnet cable that hits here in the back. Nice thing about these Venus watches, the battery life does last a few days, from 7 to 10 days, depending on what you're doing. If you're using it for activity modes, it may last a little less, but average is 7 to 10 days. Upon starting, pretty much what you would need is you would choose your language. You get all these languages right here, and even Spanish, English, and Italian looks like. You would need to download this app to do pairing to your phone. So Touch Lex app on your phone in the Apple or Play Store, right then and there. You can even scan this QR code to download the app, and that's pretty much, once you scroll down, it'll tell you to scan it, and it'll pretty much take you to the app download on your phone. All right, guys, so here we have the app, the Touch Lex app. You want to open it. You want to sign in. You can do the Apple sign in, or you can do the quick registration. This is where people get confused. I usually do the quick registration. It'll ask for your email, and then it'll send a validation code. So you got to get that validation code to be able to pair it. So once you have the validation code, it'll let you log in. So the validation code is like a special code that messages your email, and once you get it, then you can put the code, and then it'll let you log in. So pretty much it's like a verification. Once you are in, you want to go into the app. This is what it looks like, and then you would go here on the top where it says devices, here on the bottom and then you would hit plus, and then once you hit plus, you'll look for the model of your watch. This one's the Venus. So now it's looking for the it's scanning for the device. So it picked it up. Now it's binding. It's pretty much pairing. Pair it. Allow. And then the set binding right here. And that's how you successfully connect your watch to the phone. So you have to download the Touch Lex app. You have to register and get the special code to your email. Once you get the code, then the app will start working. Before that, it will not start working, and right now it's just doing an update as we just turned it on for the first time. All right, guys, so now we have the app. I've been using it for like 2 days, and pretty much what it does, it actually will count your steps, and it'll track your walking and steps and calories. It'll also count. You can also set up to 14 workout modes. So this button right here, if you wanted to do any workout, you would just choose what workout, and then it would start tracking your workout, your calories, your heart rate, and distance. So that's one way to track up to 14 modes. So pretty much you would just need to, like I said, press this button here at the bottom, and you can hit start or go back, and then it has up to 14. So very easy to track your workouts. And once your workouts are tracked, it will come up here. It will also track your sleep, how many hours in deep sleep, how many light sleep, how many rapid eye movement ratio, and how long it took you to fall asleep. So it's really cool. It'll do week, days, and months. Your heart rate, blood oxygen level, and your calories. You can also track, let's say, like an outdoor running and distance and stuff like that. So I'll track that, GPS locator and everything. And then here on the device option, you can change the faces, so you can choose new faces pretty much depending on what you want. So pretty much you would just go to more faces and you would hit more. Once you hit more, it would open up this feature, and then you would just click on it, and then you can download to use, and then you can change it on your watch. And it has a lot of features, so super customizable. You can get your notifications on you know, your Messenger, your Facebook, your Twitter, anything like that. You can also get the incoming notification, so your watch will actually vibrate, and you can hang up or answer through there. Your notifications here on the watch, so let's say you turn it on with this button, you can see all the extra activities. So you can actually turn on your music through here. It has a music player. This is your back button. You can go to your messages. So here's my notifications for messages. You have a stopwatch, timer, alarm. You can even have a flashlight. You can find your phone. So right now it's making my phone ring if you can't find your phone. So you found it. You can use it as a camera shutter, and it also has a setting. So screen setting, you can change the dials to a different color, different mode, and super easy, super friendly to use. If you scroll left, you can see the weather. If you scroll left more, you can see your time of sleep. You can start your music player. You can see your heart rate, and pretty much like your steps. It'll give you like a tracking of everything. So very easy to use. It does have settings right here. Also give you the notification that it's linked via Bluetooth to your watch. You can set it up for you can check out the battery. So super friendly, super easy to use. And then the battery life on these should last up to 7 to 10 days, and it takes about 2 hours to fully charge the watch, but you can charge it with 30 minutes as well. It'll give you enough time as well. So this is the TouchLX Venus series watch. Super friendly, super easy, friendly to set up and use. Like I said, the hardest thing is setting up the TouchLX app, which you can download on the Play Store. You must send a notification email, like it'll send you a code to your email, and then you can actually go here to devices plus, and then you can add your watch. So it doesn't take much, but hopefully this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.